Hi, this is Karishma, and I'm an educator and I'm a life coach as well. I've written a life lesson book which is available on Amazon, so I do give life coachings too. The topic that I've taken for today is passive aggressiveness. Like in the last video, I talked about straightforwardness is not such a bad idea, it's not a bad approach. But today's topic is such that straightforwardness doesn't work with this kind of a category. So today's topic is passive aggressiveness, which I think is quite wicked and cunning. It's like maintaining a sweet face while having ill will. They're wishing ill will to the other person. It's quite wicked and cunning. So as I talked about, that passive aggressiveness is maintaining something else inside the heart and having a pleasant face, which I find really insidious. I'm a promoter of pleasantries, but this style of communication is really not polite according to me. It's planning and strategizing and wishing ill health to the other person by keeping a smile on the face. I would rather have an enemy who tells it like it is than a friend who keeps grudges like this. Throughout my life, I've actually witnessed this passive aggressiveness a lot. That's why I took this topic today to talk about it. It's like someone being ruthless, rude, right when the parents are not at home towards a kid, and when they come, they're very sweet to them and they are maintaining a cordial face and being really really nice and pleasant, so that when the kid talk about it, they will not even believe. So that's quite wicked and here the straightforwardness doesn't even work, because they are not showing the right face, true colors very clearly. As I said, that one of the reason this is one of the reasons we live in a world where it's hard to know who's actually going through what, because of the presence of many drama makers in putting up a show. There are some signs where you can easily identify someone taking your insults and humiliations with not much of a reaction. This is one sign to identify. The second one is playing the impressing game by being a follower but actually not a follower, rather collecting information to strike you at your weakest point. This passive aggressiveness trait mostly feeds on a lot of hidden ego, hidden scars and complexes and fears of all kinds. Mostly survives on strategizing, trapping underhandedly. Isn't it more harmful than aggressiveness? They're actually quite clear. At least they'll strike on your face. One thing that you can be assured about, that not to worry about passive aggressiveness, because they always operate in group and there is a lot of loopholes, there is a lot of shallowness and hollowness inside the group itself, so you do not need to worry about it. Today's topic is especially selected to encourage and boost the confidence of straightforward people with straight thinking. Nothing wrong with it, as you just heard how insidious this way of being can be. At least have the straightforward people have the audacity, unlike the ones who are keeping a gun on other person's shoulders. I really don't think this is something that will even get the aim right. So that was all for today. So thank you. Cheers to a pleasant world. Love and light. Thank you.